Hey guys, Ryan Beller here from Greater Bristow, America. You know, I've always tried to have my hand in everything I could as far as making my seasons and my outdoor adventures as good as what they can be. And you know, with that, I think the preparation up to the hunt and the hunt is one thing, but after the fact, really kind of taking it upon myself to have my hand in everything from the start of preparation, during the hunt, and after the hunt. And you know, processing my own deer has been one of those things that I've always taken pride in. And you know, processing and the preparation of the meat after the fact, I've always considered myself a little bit of a closet gourmet, but really one of the things that we just absolutely love to make as a family, and it's always been just real time consuming and full of effort, was making deer jerky. And I was talking to Shannon Young the other day, and well, before the season started this year, and he told me I was wrong in how I was doing my jerky. You know, I was kind of taken aback by that, but what he meant was I wasn't necessarily doing it the most effective way to get the best product. I kind of balked at that. I've always used a dehydrator, but he said, man, he said, I'll never go back. He said, I quit using my dehydrator and I started using a smoker, and really kind of convinced me to try something a lot of us are kind of leery about doing, and that's trying something we've been doing for years that we've liked, trying it a different way. And guys, I'm going to tell you, probably the singular most effective and best advice I've been given probably in my 43 years of life. It's one of those things that I've done it that way now, and I'll never do it again. I tried this year doing both ways. Made 8 pounds after the fact. You know how, you know, when we start out with 13 or 14 pounds and you get 8 pounds of dehydrated jerky, you know, the 8 pounds that we got from the smoker went in about 2.5, 3 days. The 2 or 3 pounds that I got out of the dehydrator, I'm not going to say the kids or my wife or I turned our noses up at it. We still loved it, but man, I'm telling you, the smoker is the way to go. So if anybody out there is still using the old dehydrators, that's one thing. But I'm gonna tell you, I've tried it now, both ground and sliced on the smoker, and I'm gonna tell you, there's no looking back on this guy. I appreciate that knowledge, Shannon, and you know, I was kind of taken aback at it whenever you said you're doing it wrong, but once I did it, I think you were spot on, buddy. I was doing it wrong, and doing it on the smokers the right way in my world. Talk to you soon. Appreciate it. Bye.
Hey, I really appreciate that. You all stick with us, because we're going to take people from thinking that they can't do it to saying, wow, I just did that. You all stay tuned, because we're fixing to get wild.
There he is right there.